forever, ever hold or never mind. Oh,
Beautiful air signs. Today we're going to do your reading. Thank you, my Libras and Geminis. You guys are watching the channel, and as I said, the subscriber count has increased, but still 200 nahi hua. We're still trying, right? I want to monetize it, or I mean, organically. So today we are here to do your reading for the upcoming new moon, rest of June energies. What do you need to see after the solar eclipse, right? In regard to love. Okay, so maybe सारी information is in the description box. Kindly have a look. It's in Hindi English reading. So we're going to pull out a moon oracle, wisdom oracle, and then we clarify the tarot. Okay, so let's go. Timestamp. You can skip the intro and go there. So let me see. What do we need to see for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, our air element? Drop the ego. This show me ego. Ego. Michael, some of the messages I need to see. Let's wait, guys. What do I need to see? Blueberry. What do we need to see for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? What do we need to see? Someone out of please. I wanted a flipper. Let's see whether we get a flipper. Oh, I did. Oh, we got two. Crazy, because essentially it's one, but the other is like this. So should I take this? What do you suggest? Let me take this. Your commitment is being tested, as I said to you. First quarter moon. I'm going to explain this to you. Then we had this like this, but it is communication is key. So I'm not going to put it here, but I'm just showing you Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It is about your throat chakra. It is about you communicating, or the one you're thinking about, cross watchers. Either way, take it as it resonates. Okay, so this is about your energy. Maybe you're not saying things to the one we are thinking about. Okay, in context. So आपको कुछ चीजें बदलनी होंगी in the situation and scenario. Okay, let's go forward. What is the wisdom oracle we need to see for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? Show me the message we need to see. What do we need to see? What do we need to see? The spirit guides again. So the shuffling bothers, please put it on mute. Do subscribe, people. अगर अच्छी लगती है तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करेगा. Okay. Obviously, I can't push anyone, but I can just make a request. A humble request. They've asked me to stop. Show me the messages for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What do we need to see? Commitment is being tested. How? You guys can get very stubborn. That's something that I know. Because I definitely had an experience. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is the wisdom oracle? Give me a flipper, Michael. There are too many. Message in a bottle. So this is like a soulmate energy. This is like you looking for the right one. You looking for the appropriate one. You asking for the right one, right? So I'm going to clarify that. Let me pull out your tarot. Or should I clarify that first? Tell me. They're telling me 3 more shuffles. What do we need to see in regard to your commitment is being tested? So this is really about the faith. Okay, this is about what you are supposed to do. So challenges, maybe the relationship or the subject we're talking about, the person you're talking about or thinking about. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, there are challenges in the relationship. Maybe there's no communication, maybe there's this gap which is there, or there's no clarity, but they're saying have confidence. They show me confidence. Okay, And they're saying that it will work out. How? Why? Because you're already there. You've maybe met the right one. That's what they show me. Okay, now they're asking me to stop. Show me the message I need to see for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Someone is very wise here. I see a wise man or a woman who knows what is to be done, but they're not doing it. They're saying your answer is yes. जो भी आप सोच रहे हैं मन में कि उसका आंसर जो आप पूछ रहे हैं ना, उसका आंसर yes है, but अभी नहीं, because it's not time. It's not the time. King of Cups. So maybe you're dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. There's a possibility. Okay, and let's move forward. It's just that I think you need to put in effort, and you're not doing that. But as I said, the time is not there yet, but it's changing now. It is changing with this Jupiterian energy, this Aquarian. So yeah, it is changing. Maybe आप जिनके साथ डील कर रहे हैं, या the person you're thinking about, his name starts with R or her name starts with R, A, T, I, S, M, B. So have faith and know that they really, really like you. They like you, but it's just that there is something which is holding it back. Whatever obstacle comes our way, it comes our way because it's like a learning for us, but we don't see that. It's like that stepping stone. हम नहीं देखते हैं. We think that, oh my God, it's there to stop us. But the best bit is they're trying to guide you through. They're trying to pave you through. They're trying to tell you what you're supposed to do. I have the Chariot here. So maybe you're not moving forward. The advice is that you should, although you should wait in time and you should do it. Your intuition is guiding you. You're getting the signs everywhere. But they're saying now is the time, with a message in a bottle. They're saying the time is here wherein you can make this relationship work, because this relationship definitely has potential. Because the one you're asking about maybe is the right one. And maybe that person brings you happiness. That person brings you smile. That person वो आपको खुशी देते हैं या देती हैं. So be delightful, be happy, and know that whatever it is, it will only work when you are aligned. Maybe आप भी balance नहीं है, आपका head और heart दो बातें कर रहा है, या either way, take it as it resonates. Maybe the one we are asking is also, it's Taurus energy again. It is also that they are also very particular and very fixed about certain things. They like to do certain things in a certain way. But are you doing that? Are they doing it? But there's love with the Ace of Cups here at the bottom of the deck. So definitely there's Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. Okay, there's Aquarius, there's Gemini, there's Taurus that we see. And the whole advice here to you guys is that the relationship message is that have faith, because whatever is holding you back could be maybe like you guys had a fallout, or you had a drop over with each other. It is about showing solidarity and saying, you know what, I still love you, whatever the case may be. या उनकी कुछ भी शॉर्टकमिंग्स हो या आपकी कुछ भी शॉर्टकमिंग्स हो, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि अगर वो इंसान आपको हैप्पीनेस देता है, खुशी देता है, आपके इमोशंस को स्टर करता है एंड मेक्स यू फील ऑल बटरफ्लाई एंड दिस एंड दैट, तो वो पर्सन की शॉर्टकमिंग्स को आपको इग्नोर करना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हाट द डिवाइन इज ऑल्सो सजेस्टिंग, दैट they have your back. They really have your back, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, because the idea is to bring about the balance also in you. The idea is to see, this is the yin and yang energy, as I said, this is a soulmate twin flame kind of energy. So do watch the latest twin flame energy, because the reading, because ये momentum gain कर रहा है, ये it's going to happen soon. Maybe someone is going to walk around in your life that way, is going to send you a message that way, or someone you are going to send a message or talk to or communicate to and tell and confess, and you won't be stubborn anymore, because now you're ready to recommit. That is what they're showing, that you're ready to recommit, you're ready to say your heart and talk your heart out, and either which way. So this is what I have for you, my Gemini, my Libra, Aquarius. Stay joyful, stay happy. Know that this is possibly the right one. Just have the balance, trust your intuition, and you know, don't let communication be the fallout. Okay, talk about it. Your throat chakra, do that kind of meditation. It will really help you, I feel. Okay, and this is what I have for you. So if the reading resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity, lots of love to you. Bye.